This part of the video unfortunately has no audio, and so I'm just gonna voice it over. I am here for a very special occasion. My very first mechanical keyboard. That's right, my first. I had a K70 Corsair, but I spilled Humex. My fucking microphone wasn't recording. Are you kidding me? So this is the fucking craziest like keyboard ever, man. Because this is pretty fucking cool. Like, I don't know. This is my first one. Like I said, I had a K70, and then I was like, yeah, I'm gonna drink some Humex, and then I fucking spilled that shit. And then I was like, dude, I want a cool fucking keyboard. I got money. The Epomaker Shadow X, gasket mounted, whatever that means. So the switches that I chose were the Mulan switches because of their creamy sound. There are other switches, of course, as well as other colorways, this being the white and purple. Look at that, you just see it through, man. Oh, I don't even want to press a key. I don't even want to press a key, bro. I'm gonna get it out. Oh man, this is crazy. Got the keyboard right there, got a little manual. This is a hot swappable one too. As we can see here, it comes with the wired, little wire, of course, for the wired mode, because it's wireless too. They give you a switch puller. I think it's a keycap puller and switch puller, I'm pretty sure. It's like little tweezers. I'm gonna use these to clip my toenails. And they give you 3 extra keycaps. Wow, amazing. Let's get the box out of the way now. Look at that. You're seeing through the screen. I don't even want to take it off. So all you can see, you can't look. You know what I mean? Like, damn, it's good, man. I think it's beautiful, and it fits my aesthetic of my computer. And look, it has a TV you can watch, you know. I'm just kidding. Using the Epomaker software, you can customize the RGB to your liking, as well as put pictures, GIFs, or even make your own art for the little screen. Or you can just leave it on the default, which is really nice as well. This color is beautiful. I love it. Look at that. So first of all, let me just type on it, see if you guys can hear it. Bro, that was the smoothest shit ever. What the dude, what? Absolutely stunning, mind-blowing, all of that. Wow. I'm tripping. I haven't even plugged it in. You just pull that out. It's a little USB. Pull it out, plug it in. Let's go. Oh my god. The LEDs are beautiful. They got individual LEDs. Oh, I just turned off. Looks a bit blurry on the screen. Let's see if I can. There we go. Man, still looks a bit blurry, you know, but in real life, it's clear as day, boy. 83%. Look at that. Beautiful. Ain't that shit dope as fuck? Ain't that shit dope as fuck? Look at this. If you're bad to the bone like me. I want to give some closing thoughts on that, man. It's so nice. It's so good. It's awesome. You gotta try it. It's $6. So it's really like cheap for a keyboard this quality, you know? Yeah, I mean, that's really it for today, right? Like, this is a cool video. I didn't expect to want to make this, but I did, you know? It's awesome. Yeah, so if you're here right now, thank you so much. See you guys. Thank you for watching.